I have a lot of different tools on my workbench that only have one specific task, like helping hands and soldering jigs. But I just received this in the mail the other day, and this is an all-in-one helping hands that will alleviate all the problems of several different tools in your workbench, and it's all in one. Free your hands up, work easier, DIY, good helper. And here is all the information right here, and I'll put all the links in the description of this video. It's heavy. I unwrapped everything that was in this box, and I have it sitting here right on the workbench. You get this metal work surface. It's 11 by 7. You get 4 of these jigs that could be used for circuit boards. The circuit board could be slid in just like this on the side, or you could use the points on the top and mount your circuit board in the holes just like that for easy soldering right there. I mounted the standoffs on the back as such. These right here are extra cushions for the jaws on the vise. You get a USB adapter to plug into this USB cord for the light right here, which has a magnifying glass on it, and I'll plug that in shortly. You get a vise right here. You get 4 flexible arms with alligator clips that you could also adjust, rotate, and adjust this way. You also get extra ones. I got 10 altogether in this package. I got an extra bag of them. And you have this articulating arm, and if you ever done videos, you'll notice this gizmo right here. This would be familiar to you for mounting all your equipment. You could use this. Everything is magnetic and they're pretty strong. This one thumb screw on the articulating arm adjusts everything, all the pivot points on there, all at one time, as opposed to other arms where you have a thumb screw here, here, and here. You tighten this one and it tightens all the pivot points on there. So all you have to do is loosen it and turn this around wherever you want it, and just tighten it once, and there you go. That's all there is to it. 4 of these right here. You can mount these in any position. If you're doing any kind of soldering and you need wires close together, and we'll do a demonstration in a little bit. And let me plug in this light, plug it into a power source with the adapter. Pictured is the controller for the lighting. The color temperature is adjusted by the shuttle button, and the brightness is adjusted by the plus and minus buttons. I turned this around so you can see the magnification yourself. There is with the magnification and without it. Without. Now you'll be able to adjust your eye differently, but you get the idea. For my model railroading friends, you know how hard it is to solder wires onto these little rail joiners. I'm going to show you how easy it is with this tool right here. I have this set up for soldering. I took some photos so you could see it close up from the other side, a little bit better than from the video that it was far away and unmagnified. So you can see how easy it is to solder, and you get a good clean solder. This is before I cleaned it off. Let's recap some of the features of this amazing tool. Every item that you get with this kit, how you can use it for soldering, the articulating arm and all its movements, the vise and the capacity of the jaws, and let's not forget the dimmable light with 3 different colors. I'll put all the links in the description along with the Amazon links, and you could also check out their website where you can find other products that they sell. This was one of the best helping hands that I have ever gotten.